few weeks ago I was trying to get the horn working on the Karmann Ghia, and I was testing it from under the bonnet. It's not a great idea. It left my ear ringing for about 3 weeks. So I wondered, just how loud is this horn? Thankfully, an update on my Apple Watch will allow me to make some tests. What I've learned about decibels is that for every 10 decibel gain, it doubles in volume. So my saw is twice as loud as my belt sander. So how do these tools compare to the Karmann car horn? Well, it's twice as loud as my loudest tool. That was from under the bonnet. I wanted to see just how loud it is from behind the seat. That's still pretty loud. These little rubber underpants fit over the car horns and direct the sound out through the front hole of the Karmann Ghia. I'm hoping this will reduce the volume from behind the seat to an acceptable level. Nice. Hey Dal, it's much better with the rubber underpants. Oh dear.